my baby. Got me staring at you, so I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop, got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it, we make it.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. The hair that I used will be linked below in the description. The first step before installing the crochet braids is to braid your own hair first. I did individual braids instead of cornrows because I prefer that look and it takes less braiding here. But of course, you can do the cornrows if you want. As you can see, I already have my own hair braided in medium-sized plaits. Alrighty, so my hair is my hair is pretty popping as it is. I don't even need to put the extension in there or whatever, but you know, I'm gonna have the thing coming down to here to like my behind, I guess. This is the extensions that I'm gonna be using for my hair. And yeah, like this is how it's gonna be looking as a final result, except it's not gonna be the red one, just the black one. So I'm gonna use this thing here and I'm gonna hook it through this, and you know, that's how it's gonna go. So this is the pack of hair that I got. That's how long it is. It's Samba twist. I got it off of Sam's Beauty. Yeah, this is it, 50 inches. As you can see, it's pretty long. So it comes in a little thing like this. Obviously, you just cut this part to release them. So I'm just going to show you how I install them. So the crochet braid, it has a little loop through it, so you just find the loop and get it ready. Alright, so the latch is closed. I'm going to make sure that the latch is closed, and then before you open it, so put it in there closed through your hair, and it'll open on its own. Next thing you're going to do is take the crochet braid, find the loop, okay, and you're gonna put the loop here, close the latch, bring it through. You're gonna take this and the braid, okay, both of them together. I'm gonna pull this through like that. And then you just kind of pull it tight. You're just gonna wrap the hair around like this. This can unravel easily, so you just wrap the hair inside. I'm kind of doing like a little, hold on. I'm doing like a little braided kind of method. I'm just kind of just like a braid. Okay. Yeah, that's how I do it, at least. There's other YouTubers that do different things, but yeah, you get the point. Just keep unraveling the hair down and then twist it around until you hide it, and then you can retwist the braid. Retwist the twist, I mean. So it should look something like this. It's not perfect, but like I still have this out here, and you just keep on going in to this braid until it's closed, and then twist the twist back. And this is how it should look. Another example. the watch through. Unhooked. Pull it through. And then take this, and you just just unravel here, and you just okay, so I'm just gonna finish up the rest of the braids and fast forward through the rest of this. So that's basically all there is to it. This is how long the hair will be, and it only took like 2 hours to install. So comment down below if you found this easy or difficult. I really like this style because the hair looks so natural. I went to Jamaica and everyone thought it was mine and called me Empress, and I got so many compliments. I actually had this hair in for 6 months while I was living in Jamaica, so stay tuned guys, because I'm doing a Jamaica series documenting my time there, and also another video explaining how to take the crochet braids out after a long time without damage. So thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, consider subscribing and turn on your notifications, and leave a comment below to let me know your favorite protective styles or other videos that you would like me to do. Okay, take care for now. Thanks for watching, y'all.